Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. Now let's look at the accessory reproductive glands in terms of the males and the females. So before we move ahead, let's focus on the male and the structures which are associated. So in terms of the male, we first in this diagram, there is a pubic bone, this is the bladder, there is a seminal vesicle, the presence of rectum, the ejaculatory duct, there is a prostate gland, there is presence of the bulbourethral gland, there is the anus, the presence of the vas deferens, the epididymis, the scrotum, the testis, the seminiferous tubules, there's the minor units, then the urethral opening, there is the glands, the presence of the foreskin, there is urethra, this is nothing but the penis, then that contains the corpus spongiosum and the outer corpus cavernosum. Now let's look at the structures in terms of the male and the female. So in terms of the male, so in the male there is the prostate gland. So in males there is presence of the prostate gland. There is also the presence of the corpus gland. So there is the corpus gland, that is nothing but the bulbourethral gland. So it is the bulbourethral. So it's the bulbourethral gland. Next is the presence of the gland of Litter. So there is the gland of Litter, that is in presence in the penile urethra. So this is present in the penile urethra. Then we move on to the female. So in terms of female, what is the accessory reproductive glands? The females, it is the skin glands. There is the presence of the skin glands. So skin glands are the para-urethral glands. The para-urethral glands. The skin glands are the para-urethral glands. Then comes the presence of the Bartholin's gland. There is the Bartholin. So there is presence of the Bartholin gland, the greater vestibular gland, that is the greater vestibular. So this greater vestibular gland. Then comes the presence of the glands of the labia majora and the minora. So then comes the glands. So the glands of the labia minora. So labia minora as well as the labia majora.